Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to fold the rear seats on a 2014 Hyundai Elantra. This video applies to 5th generation of Hyundai Elantras made from 2010 all the way up to 2015. Okay, now to fold the seats you actually have to access the trunk area by pulling onto this knob here. And once you are here, you'll also see two knobs, one here and one on the right side. So if you pull on each of these knobs, it's gonna lower one portion of the rear seat. So depending on which portion you want to lower, that knob you will pull. So for the right side and for the left side. So once you have pulled on that knob, the top portion of the rear seat will just fall down. To push it back in, you just wanna press it a bit harder so it locks into place. Same thing for the other side as well. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.